Hello everyone, this is Unboxer King and welcome to the channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be unboxing my copy of Universe League. This is the Nemo album. I bought four. Each particular Nemo you'll be able to pull, I think 14 photo cards, 7 photo cards for the animal version, and then another 7 photo card for the profile version. So it is completely random out of the 21 finalist of the reality show. So I am trying to complete all 9 members of AHOF. Uh, this would give me a good chance of completing the OT9 because since there are two versions, it means I have 56 photo card all in all, and that would give me a good chance of collecting all 18 photo cards of the member. So if you don't know, I did follow the show. Uh, 6 out of my 7 bias made it to a hoof. I'm not really sure yet if I'm gonna be collecting their photo cards. I have to wait for their music to be released so that I'll know if I like their concept or what. But I do like the lineup. The only contestant who or participant who didn't make it on um, the final lineup that is part of my bias is Kenta. But all in all, I am happy with the final lineup. Okay, let's open up this Nemo albums. So this is the Nemo album. This is the front, the spines, and then the back. Okay, so this is random. I am hoping to complete all 9. So let's open this up. I think aside from the photo cards, there are some uh, QR code, I think. I don't know what they call it in this version. Okay. I'm trying not to look into the members. So let's do it that way. Okay. So that's the QR code if you want to scan. Okay. First member. Let's do from the back. Okay. Kim Jong Un. Nice. This is so the first is the animal. I'll put the non Ahoof member on the side since we are only collecting the members. Okay, Dong Yun. Nice. Actually, he's one of my somehow I want him to be part of the group, but I limited myself only to 7 because I thought there were only gonna be 7 debut. Next we have Jungwoo. Nice. So this is our first member. So Jungwoo, I think, is the second oldest, right? After Steven. So I will put him there. Next is Jinho. Okay. So we're pulling a lot of non-members. We have Kyungho. Okay. So there's a lot of group member here. Next we have Jungwon. Okay. So Jungwon is part of Ahoof. He is, I think, this third youngest. Yeah, I think he's the third youngest member. And then for 246 last, this is the last animal version, we have Zenzen. Okay, nice. So we already pulled 5 non-member of Ahoof. So next is we have the profile version. So first profile version we have Dong Yun. So we already have the set for Dong Yun there. And then we have Hee Jun. Okay, we'll just put everybody there. Next, we have Parkhan. Nice. So Parkhan, I think, is the middle in terms of age. Um, in terms of age. Next is Park Jungwoon. Okay, so that we already completed the set for Jungwoon. Next, we have Xian. Okay, nice. So I think Xian is the second youngest. I think he's the second youngest. And then next profile we have Schreibo. Nice. Schreibo is, I think, the third oldest. Yeah. Okay. And then lastly, we have Steven. Nice. That's a really good pack because we pulled 5 out of the 9 members. Really nice. Okay, so let's open the second. So we haven't pulled JL. So when the voting was being conducted on a weekly or at least in a per episode basis, I always vote for JL because I really want him to debut. But now that the debut group is already announced, I'm already thinking who my bias is. I think my bias is Park Han, and then my bias wrecker is Jungwon and JL. Yeah. Okay, so this is the second. This is the second. I don't want to see who the photo cards I pulled. So we'll use the QR code to hide it. Okay, there you go. So first, for the animal version, hoping to pull a member, Kyrie. Okay, nice. So we're pulling a lot of non-AHOF member for the animal version. We have Steven. Nice. So that's our complete set of Steven. Next, we have Sirin. Okay, sorry. There you go. Next, we have Hanseo. Nice. Okay, so we're getting a lot of animal members, animal photo card for the non-debut group. We have Yuto. Okay, nice. Next, we have Hijun. I think, is this a duplicate? I think we already pulled him, or no, this one. Okay, next we have JL. Finally, we have JL's animal photo card, and I think he is the fourth in terms of age order. Here you go. For the profile, we are only missing four. First is Jungwoo. Nice. So that completes our Jungwoo set. Next, we have Zenzen. Okay. Next, Hanseo. Okay. We have Sirin. Okay. Next, we have Jijung. And then next, we have Jongyung. We already completed his set as well. And then we have Kyrie again. So this also complete the Kyrie set. Nice. So we're still missing five for the animal, and then just three for the profile. Third pack. Apologies if I am mispronouncing some of the names. I Okay, this is a little bit tough to open. There you go. Okay. Okay, so for this one, this is our third set. Okay, I need the QR code to cover it. There you go. Okay, animal version. First, Kenta. So he is my bias during the show. Unfortunately, he wasn't able to debut. Next, we have Daisuke. So this is our Maknae. So Daisuke. Next is Wonky. Okay, this is our first Wonky. That's a good sign. So we're progressing with the animal version. We have Jijung. Nice. So I'll just stack them up. Next, we have Schwaibo. So Schwaibo, this is... Oh no, Wonky was supposed to be... JL was supposed to be here. Wonky age order wise should be here because Schwaibo is the third. Correct me uh if I'm wrong in terms of the age order, but I think this is how it goes. Next, we have Shein. Nice. So we're just missing Park Han for the animal version. And we still have one more. Parka, nice! Okay, so we already completed the animal version. That's exciting. Okay, so we're just missing three for the profile. Are we gonna complete it with this set? First one, we have Daisuke. Nice. Okay. So we're just missing JL and Monkey. Next, JL. Wow. Okay, there you go. So Wonky is the only one missing, and we already completed the set. And we're gonna complete the set. Vito. Okay, sorry. I want to show you the photo card first. Next, we have Kenta. So that completes my set for Kenta. And then next, we have Kyung-ho. Okay. And then we have Wonky. Nice. Okay. That's and then Jin who has the last photo card. Okay, so it means that we already completed our photo card set for the Ahoof member, the OT9. We still have one more. I'm still gonna open it because I want to know if we pulled any duplicate. So far, we haven't pulled any duplicate for the OT9. So, but this is a good start on my journey in purchasing a whole merchandise. Not sure yet if I'm gonna complete or collect their photo cards, but I'm not sure yet because I haven't listened to their music yet. So we have to wait and see if I really like their music when they debut. First, for the animal, we have Kyrie. Okay. Then we have Steven. So that's a duplicate of Steven. We have Sirin. Okay. We have Hanseo. Okay. Yuito. Okay. Hijun. So most of these are duplicate. JL. Yeah, nice. So we will have a duplicate of JL. For the profile, we have Jungwoo. That's a duplicate of Jungwoo. Zen Zen. I think we already have this as well. Hanseo. We have a lot of his photo cards. Sirin. Also someone who's been appearing on our polls. Jijung. Nice. Juyong. Okay. And then lastly, Kyrie again. Okay. So those are all the photo cards that we pull from the four Universe League Nemo album. If you like this type of video and if you want to look into if I'm gonna be collecting Ahoof photo cards in the future, please subscribe to my channel. Consider uh, clicking the like button as well. And if you have any question regarding my collection, feel free to comment down below. Thank you for watching, everyone. Bye.